Guys, has your Windows 11 quick access gone missing? Well, let me tell you how to fix it. Guys, to open up Windows Explorer, you can just press Windows plus E, or if you have it on taskbar, you can just click over there, or you can just even look it up in the search. Open the File Explorer any which way you like, and on the sidebar, guys, you can see we have a few pinned folders and a few pinned files as well. But what used to happen before is we used to be able to see them in the home bar and in quite a bit of detail. So how do you get that back? Here I agree that to go to quick access I have to go to home tab every time. So let's just say if I am on desktop, I can't go to the quick access or access the quick access really quickly. So it doesn't really make any sense. So in this case, on the top bar here you can see we have 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and on the bottom you have options. Click on that. And here you can see we are currently in the general tab. In the general tab, we have browse folders, click items as follows, privacy. And in privacy, we have show recently used files, show frequently used folders, and show files from office.com. Here we'll click on clear to clear file explorer history and then head to view tab. Under view tab, we have file and folders, hidden file and folders, but we want to go to navigation pane because we want all the quick access in the navigation pane itself. Otherwise, it really becomes a pain. Now what you want to do is check all these items. So we want always show availability status, expand to open folder and show libraries as well. Click on apply and click on OK. Now you can see we have a lot of detail everywhere. So even in my new folder, you can see all the folders that I have in there. Even in libraries, we can see everything, and everything basically has a submenu. So even if I go to libraries, we have all the items of the library showed in the side pane itself. So it is very easy to access all of these files and folders now. So even if I collapse the home tab, I can just go through everything according to my needs and pin anything I require. So guys, this is how you fix quick access in Windows 11. If you like the video, if you found it helpful, drop a like, share and subscribe.